After the smart FUE, the patient has to complete a protocol. This protocol is called the Smart Graft Care Protocol. Today, for this patient is day 7. From day 1 to day 7, patient has done an excellent smart graft care. All the microscapes already fallen. It looks very neat and clean now. This is very important to maximize the survival rate of the graft. Let's have a closer look now. We can see behind there is the original hair, and here is the design where we fill up all the graft inside. Patient is very happy. He have done an excellent job, and that's the reason why it's very important to do a smart graft care.